Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be answering the question which was asked, that is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is a definite yes, but the specific conditions depend on your situation and the country you're applying to. Today I'm going to concentrate on Germany. Now, in Germany, you're a German citizen or a resident, you can also sponsor your spouse for a family unification visa, also called spousal sponsorship. This allows your spouse to join you in Germany, but they will need to prove the authenticity of the marriage and your ability to financially support them. Processing times can vary. When it comes to open work permits, if your spouse is granted the family reunification visa, they are typically allowed to work in Germany without needing a separate work permit.